Good morning. It's time for my coffee. I'm always excited with this morning routine because of how it helps me to balance my hormones, my insulin, my cortisol, help me with my brain health, help me with my belly fat, help me to be in a very good mood, give me the energy that I need, that mental clarity, help me with my collagen for me to be beautiful, useful as always, and have that energy all day long. So if you are not trying out this, you're missing out because as women we need this. So I'm gonna be pouring my elevate and my coffee. It time just leave now, and I'm gonna be pouring my hot water. It's amazing. You really need to try this thing. You really need to. Uh-huh. Amazing. So I scared. Grab yours now. Grab yours now. So cheers.